ClickCease versus ClickGUARD versus Ppc Protect. Which one is better for you to use for your internet protection? Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be comparing ClickCease with ClickGUARD and Ppc Protect, and we'll figure out which one of these platforms is better for you to use, what are the different features we get, and what are their pricing plan. Up first, we have clickcease.com. You will go to clickcease.com and you will get to this platform right here. Now, ClickCease is actually one of the top rated click fraud and ad fraud prevention platform. It's really good for Google and Facebook ads. When it comes to ClickCease, it blocks ads and also blocks the harmful traffic for you. It will also block the bots, accidental clicks, and click forms for you. So if you want to enjoy a very fraud free browsing and you don't want any kind of ads disturbing you, then you can use ClickCease as your guard. When we talk about ClickCease, you can log in or sign up. So if you want to start, you can just go to start now and it will allow you to sign up. Signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your Google account or you can sign up with your Facebook. We can also add our full name or use our work email to sign up for ClickCease. With ClickCease, we will be getting our own 24/7 customer support. You can also go for a 7-day free trial. So there is a pricing plan for ClickCease. Let's go ahead and check it out really quickly. So this is the plan right here. We have, if we go with the yearly plans, okay, so we will be saving up to 20%. And the standard one is going to be $47 per month. There is a pro plan which is going to be $63 per month, and then advanced plan is going to be $87 per month, and it's going to be starting from 63. And if you want to cover up, for example, more than 10k monthly visits, then you can just increase your pricing. So it starts from $47, and with $47 plan, I can go ahead and get my protection for one platform, Facebook ads. Then we have both zapping, protect one website, and I will be able to ad spy up to 3 words. So we can protect different websites and we can connect it to our ClickCease and it will do that for us. Very easy platform to use, and we can connect it to our Wix, Joomla website. Then we have Squarespace, WordPress, Weebly, and more. So if you want to protect your website, you want to customize, and you also want to get insights, then you can use ClickCease. You can also apply for refunds if you want, and then you will also be able to improve ads by comparing them to others. It will block different frauds for you, and it will help you enjoy private browsing, and you will be able to serve ads free. Moving on, we have ClickGUARD. What you guys need to do is simply go to clickguard.com and you will get right here. Now, ClickGUARD is also another really famous protecting platform that protects our Google ads and also protects our Facebook. We can protect our websites with ClickGUARD. With ClickGUARD, what you can do is you can get your own free trial or you can get started. So you just click right here for free trial, and now I can sign up with my first name, last name, email address, country, password, and then we have monthly Google ad clicks. So this one is really good for Google ads, and ClickCease is actually good for Google ads or Facebook ads as well. So we're getting like additional Facebook ads with ClickCease. With ClickGUARD, we have a lot of different features. Of course, we will be able to identify the click waste. We will be able to identify the bots and competitors. Similarly, we can block bad traffic that is hurting our Google ad. Similarly, we can grow our ads ROI, and with additional features we will be able to get full transparency, and we will be able to get in-depth post-click analysis, and we can also get an app for ClickGUARD. Now, if we talk about the pricing plan of ClickGUARD, let's go ahead and check it out and compare it to ClickCease. So if we go with the monthly plan and annual plan, we will be saving up to 20%, and the currency is going to be in USD. So we have a plan which starts from $59 per month active card, and then there is a Premium, which is starting from $79 per month, and then we have Elite, which is starting from $99 per month. With these different plans, we are getting one Google ad account, then we have device tracking, 5,000 Google ad clicks. With this one, we will be getting unlimited campaigns, unlimited domains, keyword, 10 rules per type, and with this one we have full API access and 24/7 priority support. Now here's the difference. So if we talk about the yearly pricing plan of Clickcease, it's starting from $47, while ClickGUARD is starting from $59. With Clickcease, we are getting Google ads or Facebook ads. With ClickGUARD, you will be getting Google ads, not Facebook ads. You can just go with Google ads. Then we are actually getting 5,000 Google ad clicks with this plan, but we are not getting this here. We can protect one website. Similarly, we are getting the option of protect a website here. So the pricing plan is the Clickcease is a little cheaper than ClickGUARD. Let's move on to PPC Protect. What you guys need to do is simply go to ppcprotect.com and you will get to this platform right here. Now, PPC Protect is also an amazing and one of the famous click fraud preventing platform out there, and it allows you to simply protect your browser and it will allow you to add blocks. If we talk about the different features and tools, then of course we will be able to uncover bot clicks, see what we're paying for, and we will also be able to calculate our exposure to click fraud. We will be able to check invalid clicks if we have any, and we will also be able to check the traffic we're getting and what are the different ads and frauds that are interrupting our Google ads and others. So if we talk about PPC Protect, so it's an all-in-one platform. If we saw that Clickcease and ClickGUARD, they really focus on Google ads and Facebook ads. That's what they sell. Like you can see Google right here, and then similarly we have Google ads on ClickGUARD too. So that's what they sell. They are all about Google ads, but PPC Protect is like all in one platform. You can use it for Google ads as well, and we can also connect it to our different platforms. So that's how it works on PPC Protect. Let's go ahead and check out the pricing plan and compare it to the others. So we can actually get different pricing plan. We have a Pro, which is best in class click fraud protection for SBNs across paid search. Then we have an Elite, which is with every channel, which is for a larger audience. So if you want to check the Pro pricing, if you want to check the different pricing plans, you can just go ahead and check them out by signing up. So with different plans, you will be getting paid search protection, display protection, invalid audience creation, partnership access. Now, one thing about PPC Protect is that you can see they're not even showing the pricing plan without signing up. So it's a little thing that I personally don't like, that you will have to request a demo first to check out different features, while signing up process for Clickcease and ClickGUARD is really easy as we compare it to PPC Protect. Also, Clickcease is cheaper, ClickGUARD is also a bit cheap, and then PPC Protect is going to be a bit expensive for you, and you will actually have to get a demo first in order to check out the different features and tools. But other than that, we also can, of course, save ourselves from ads, and we can run our Google ads very efficiently using all of these different platforms. We can save ourselves from different frauds available online. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know the difference between Clickcease, ClickGUARD and PPC Protect. Which one of these protection platform is better for you to use? Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.